Hi, I'm Rai. In this video, we will explain related to memory management in operating system course, the FC 1013, focusing on memory allocation strategies, which contains first fit, best fit, and worst fit. First fit strategies. This algorithm search for the first available space that large enough to accommodate the process. This approach is typically faster, but once it finds suitable space, processes will slot in. Best fit. With this algorithm, the system looks for the smallest hole that is large enough to fit the process. This approach aims to minimize wasted space, but it often takes longer and is need to check all available partitions to find the best match. Worst fit. The worst fit algorithm chooses the largest available hole to allocate the process. The idea behind this approach is to avoid creating too many small, unusable holes, although in practice it can lead to memory fragmentation.
Hi there. Before we start, let's see this animation diagram. At the left side, we have 4 processes, which each process, Google Chrome as a first process with a 320 KB size, Adobe Acrobat Reader 420 KB, Microsoft Word 210 KB, and the fourth process is Microsoft Paint 119 KB. While on the right side, here is the main memory allocation and its dedicated size. For the first fit techniques, it required each process to find a space just enough to fit in, regardless the leftover memory space, which is internal fragmentation. So Chrome, the first process, will be looking for memory space that enough for it to fit in. In this case, Chrome will stay at memory slot B. Same goes to Adobe. Will find memory space and will slot in at the memory slot D. Word will occupy memory slot E, while Paint will occupy memory slot A. For the best fit technique, it required each process to find the most suitable memory slot based on fit in and smallest leftover space. So first one, Chrome will go through from slot A until F and will be reside in slot B. Same goes to Adobe, will searching from slot A until F and will be fit in slot D. Word will stay in slot E, while Paint will reside in slot C. For the worst fit techniques, it required each process to find a memory slot that will fit in and have the largest leftover space. So each processes need to go through each memory slot before slot in. First, Chrome will go through from slot A until F and will slot in at the slot D, while Adobe need to hold and wait its turn to slot in once the Chrome had been closed. Same goes to Word. After finish go through, it will slot in memory slot B and Paint in memory slot E.
In conclusion, each strategy has its advantages and drawbacks. First fit is fast but may cause fragmentation. Best fit minimize wasted space but is slower. Worst fit try to leave large block free but can lead to inefficient memory use. The choice of strategy depends on the specific requirements and constraints of the system. student had been given and exposed in using the AR, where the topic that we cover had applied the AR use, thus helping the student to get the idea or improving the student's understanding on the memory management topic.